This is the Endura pet door. This thing has been amazing. I've got 2 Shih Tzu dogs and they can just go right out to the deck, and we've got a little potty area set up for them, and we don't have to let them out. And this thing leaves all of that cold air and hot air outside because it is a double-walled door. It works great. So we've had this door for about 2 years and we have never had a problem with it. This is the first panel. It has this magnet that will snap back when they go through. And then it has an aluminum interior, and then it leads to that second door that will then go outside. This is rated up to 50-mile-per-hour winds, so that way whenever the wind hits it, it is not just going to flip right open, but it is easy enough for dogs to get in and out. This is the small one, so it's just a 6x10 opening.